Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about Reliance, ICICI Bank, TCS, Axis and Bajaj Finance important levels. Reliance and ICICI have come up with their results, and Axis Bank and Bajaj Finance will be coming up with their results, and TCS is a very important support level. So this is the chart of Reliance on GAN Analyst Professional Software. As you can see here, stock has taken resistance and it is near an important time cycle. These blue lines are important time cycles from this low. So probably if this, today's high and low will be very important. And for Reliance, what I'm watching out for is the levels. I mean, both for swing and positional traders. So if I go here and if I select a major low, which it has made somewhere in January, so you can see here, 2681 will be very important after gap up. And if this is held, then this time it should reach this high of 2744 and above that 2785. And on long run, 2892 and 3000 are the targets on upside. And the low of Friday, which is 2610, it's broken, then we can go to 2578 and 2447. And people who want to take a small swing, I mean small intraday trades, they can watch out for these levels above 2688, 2714, 2740, 2767, 93 and 819 is the targets. And below, these are different GAN cycles based on the top and bottom. So, and a person who wants to short, best is to go short below 2588 for 2562, 2537. These are the targets on downside. Similarly, let me go towards ICICI Bank. Now, ICICI Bank is in this quadrant. Again, it has an important date, reversal date, which is today. So if it breaks 790, then this time it can move all the way towards 800, 820, 847 odd levels. And if it is breaching the low of last 2 days, then only we can see a fall all the way towards 729. So let's quickly get the levels for ICICI Bank. This is ICICI Bank, and first let me see the GAN circle, and I click here, which was the recent bottom. You can see here above 799, 847 is the big quadrant, and below 735, or below 750, 735 is where it can fall all the way towards 682. And if you want to have the smaller levels to trade with, uh, which is above 792, 806, 821, 835, and 850, and below 737 we can fall all the way towards 714, 700 and 685. And let me quickly show you about TCS. TCS is a near important 50% retracement point, as we can see here, 3496. So if 3496 to 3510 is held, then it is going all the way towards 3613. Otherwise, the fall can extend all the way towards 3380. And let's quickly go to Axis Bank and Bajaj Finance also. I'll give you the swing traders of the long-term view. Um, this is Axis Bank. Again, the stock has made a bottom somewhere near April. So 842 is a very important level of this up move. Above this, 901 can be targeted a 50 points up move. And below 785 shots can be taken towards 730. And let's go to the last one, which is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is somewhere near here, and above this high 7927, the targets are 8106, 8287, 8740, and below 7538 is where I would recommend a short for a target towards 7366 and 7195. So that's about it. A small view on the all the major stocks. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.